Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming basics while acting fast. Verify the PC is joined to the hotspot SSID and signal strength is acceptable, and make sure the phone or hotspot has active mobile data and tethering enabled. Once done, disable any VPN on the PC and toggle Wi-Fi off and on to clear transient states. While you do that, open network settings so you're ready for the next diagnostics. This prevents wasting time restarting without collecting quick clues. Now you'll run targeted diagnostics. Start the built-in network troubleshooter to get automated fixes and note any error codes. Next, inspect the IP configuration. If you see a 169.254.x address set IP4 to DHCP, then release and renew the IP. After that, test DNS by pinging a public IP like 8.8.8.8. If that works, change DNS to 8.8.8.8 to isolate name resolution issues. Finish by restarting both the hotspot device and the PC, then repair and reauthorize tethering to remove stale sessions. If problems persist, run network stack resets, flush DNS, reset TCP/IP settings, and reinstall or reset the network adapter. These actions clear corrupted configurations. Finally, if you're still offline, tether a second device to the hotspot. This single test tells you whether the hotspot or the PC is at fault. If the hotspot works with another device, focus on adapter drivers and OS network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.